Hi guys, good day. I'm here with the newly Sash and Crown Man of the Year Philippines 2023. I'm here with Jovi. Hi Jovi, kumusta ka naman?
Okay lang po.
How do you feel right now na you've been wearing the sash and as well as the crown?
Siyempre, it's such a great honor para sa akin na yun, representative ako ng Pilipinas sa Bali, Indonesia. Sa Man of the Year. And sana, supportahan niyo ako guys na makuha natin yung title na to.
Alright, let's talk about right after your winning sa Cosmo Manila. Anong mga nangyari right after nun?
Yun, tuloy pa rin yung routine natin. Marami tayong mga nakilala. Yung mga previous projects tayo, mga events, yun nga. Same pa rin.
Aside dun sa mga projects mo, do you undergo trainings or self-training mo lang?
Self-training, so far self-training pa lang yung ginagawa natin.
And ayun, malapit na yung yung coronation or the pageant night ng Man of the Year 2023. Ano na yung mga preparation na pinaghandaan mo dito?
Ayun, mas pinaghahandaan natin syempre yung pangatawan natin, kailangan natin maging healthy. And syempre kailangan, yung mentality natin, kailangan motivated tayo, hindi tayo dapat mawalan ng pag-asa. Spiritually syempre, kailangan yun, number one yun hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan.
As a pageant king now, how do you keep relevant to the social media?
So far, hindi tayo masyadong nagiging active sa social media ngayon kasi tulad nga ng may mga inaasikaso pa akong business. Siguro so far, after this month, yun, mag-focus naman tayo sa social media.
Sino yung magiging designer ng susuot mo sa pageant?
Actually, wala pa po akong idea officially. So, I'll get update with you guys.
And also, meron ba ang national costume dito?
Meron po.
Sino magiging designer also?
Wala pa po akong idea.
Wala pa so far.
And ayaw po pong i-spill nila.
So, it's a surprise.
Yes. Siyempre, ayaw naman natin i-spoil agad, di ba?
Yes.
Meron ba kayong swimwear safety? Di ba kasi parang bawal ata?
I think bawal swimwear.
Parang bawal.
Bawal sa Indonesia.
Indonesia yung mga masyadong sex.
Yeah.
Ayun, Jovi, aside from that, we all know that you have been exposed sa mga social medias and syempre, given na yun na may mga bashers. So, how do you deal with the bashers?
Ayun, just don't mind them. Mind your own business, sabi nga nila. Hayaan mo yung mga taong walang bilib sa'yo, balang araw bibilib din sila sa'yo, sabi nga. And kung yung mga bashers, normal lang naman magkaroon ng mga bashers Kaya, mas focus ka lang dun sa mga taong naniniwala sa'yo, sabi nga nila.
Ano na yung magiging winning mindset mo tonight na you've been sashed and crowned as Man of the Year Philippines and you will represent to the international stage na?
Syempre, mas pagbubutihan pa natin lalo. Mas iigihan pa natin yung training natin, especially sa papalapit na yung pageant. And siguro by next month or sooner or later, magkakaroon din tayo ng mga trainings with Madam Joyce and Boss Mark. May mga programs din silang pinaprepare para dito.
What makes you Man of the Year Philippines?
I think it's God's given. It's God's plan. I don't have any idea how I ended up in this place. Pero I was thankful. Sabi nga nila, trust the process. Kung ano man yung binigay sa'yo, it was God's plan, sabi nga nila.
So, you believe in destiny?
Yes.
So, for you, in your own opinion, how do you define success?
I define success when you're happy on what you have, when you feel contented, and you do not compare yourself to others.
So parang as a pageant fan, ang mga fans parang paano ba kami parang makapanood sa yung journey?
Ito, yung ginagawa nyo actually, it gives a lot of help. Hindi lang sa akin, sa mga maraming candidates din, yung mga mag-spread nyo through social media. And alam naman natin yung effort nyo. Kahit saan na lang, di ba? Willing kayong pumunta para lang i-promote yung ibang models, i-promote yung isang event, yung isang pageantry, di ba?
And ayun, doon sa mga bago pa lamang na kakakita sa'yo, who is Jovi on and off cam?
Jovi is a humble person, God-fearing, and a model. So, normal person.
As part of preparation na you always go to the gym. So how do you often go to gym?
Ano po?
How do you often go to gym?
Kamusta yung diet?
Every day. Kasi ano tayo, fitness trainer tayo eh. So part na ng ano natin pamumuhay.
Sa pabang parang ito yung parang diet, special diet para yung katawan mo.
Ano lang, energy balance, yun lang, that's all. Basta, di mo naman kailangan kumain ng kaunti. Kailangan mo lang kumain ng tama.
And ayun, Jovi, we have witnessed also your pageant journey. So you've been joined from another pageant and then napunta sa Cosmo Manila, and then now that you're Man of the Year Philippines 2023. Ayun, so ano naman, kumusta naman yung adjustment mo and ano yung mga natutunan mo from your previous pageant na sinalihan?
Siguro ulit-ulit man pakinggan yung mga natutunan ko before sa mga previous pageant ko. Be happy on what you have. Don't compare yourself and do what makes you happy. Yun lang.
During the competition, ano yung mga ginagawa mo? Do you browse social media or focus ka lang talaga sa pageant?
Focus na ako sa pageant.
So never browse your Instagram or Facebook?
Hindi ako ganun ka-active through social media.
And we have heard that you're not a single, you're taken already.
Taken.
How do you manage your, your pageant journey and as well as your love life?
Paano ba? Let's say, time management. Kumbaga, you have to give time to your career at the same time. Kailangan mo rin magbigay ng time para sa love life mo. Especially sa family mo. Yun lang.
What if magkaroon ng conflict like, eto si love life and then nagkasabay, love life and pageant life. So, saan ka dun saan mo ipa-priority mo? Love life or yung pageant life?
Pageantry, syempre. Kumbaga nandiyan naman yung love life eh, hindi naman nawawala yan eh. Pwede mo naman anytime ayusin yan eh. Pwede mong anytime i-achieve yan.
How supportive of your
100%.
partner? 100%. Wow. Ayan. And message mo na lang sa mga fans and supporters mo.
Ayun guys, sana supportahan niyo ako, and I was hoping and praying na sana tulungan niyo ako how to win this title, this pageant, and I'm willing to learn. I'm still learning actually. And sabi nga nila, ipag-suggest na lang natin kung ano yung mangyayari sa pageant na to.
And your message to the person behind.
Pero syempre, hindi natin mapabayaan na gagawin pa rin natin yung best natin para manalo. Syempre, hindi naman natin hahayaang masira yung effort ng ibang tao and yung belief nila para sa'yo, di ba?
Ayan. The message to the person behind your journey.
Stay healthy, God bless, and ingat palagi.
And your message to Sir Mark Tubales. And Miss Joyce.
Thank you for everything. That's all. And stay healthy, and God bless you always. And may God give you longer life and healthy life. That's all. To your family also.
And yung social media mo, promote it.
Jovi Angel sa Facebook, and sa Instagram joviangel_0425. And sa TikTok ko, I have a new TikTok. J Angel. Bago lang yun. Doon nyo makita yung mga update ko about fitness.
Ayan.
Nag-umpisa na ako mag-upload ng mga fitness journey natin on how to achieve nice physical body. Mga ganun.
Alright. Maraming salamat, Jovi, and best
Thank
of
you
luck
po.
sa journey
Thank
mo
you,
sa
thank you.
Man of the Year 2023.
Salamat.
Bye-bye.